name's Chris Marsden. I am the owner of Marsden Building and Remodeling. We are primarily residential remodelers. Do a little bit of new construction and some light commercial work. I bought my Capex after a long deliberation process. I've been kind of paying attention to the saw ever since it came out. I was really excited to see it, but the price was a difficult pill to swallow. Eventually we had a couple projects in a row. We needed to work in a confined space and keep things clean, and actually paying attention to the money that I was paying for cleanup, I went ahead and made the purchase. We've gone through probably 6 to 8 other miter saws. Far and away the biggest advantage, the best benefit of the Capex is the dust collection. I haven't seen anything like it on any other saw, despite whatever efforts we've made to rig something up or to try this accessory product. Nothing has come close. Local bakery had asked us to change the facade of the display units that they have and their counter space into more of a rustic feel. They're only closed on Mondays, so we'd have basically Sunday evening we'd go in and we'd have Monday to work, and then we'd have to be out of there by, they start working at 5 o'clock on Tuesday morning. So we'd have to be in and out, and we don't have a chance to create a work area really. We have to keep things clean. They have to be able to open right away. So, everybody appreciated how clean we were able to work and how quickly we were able to get in and out. I'm always getting asked by my coworkers, can I leave my stuff set up here? Because they just don't want to go through the hassle of taking their whole system down into the truck and setting it up next day. I can be out of the back of my truck and set up in a matter of minutes, pretty much anywhere. I've been using Festool products probably for a little over 10 years now. The obvious craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the engineering that went in to the first tools that I bought, and it carries into the Capex as well.
This is Hitachi's 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw with laser marker, model C12 RSH2. Whether it's in the workshop or out on the job site, this powerful cutting machine combines strength and accuracy for even the most complicated miter and bevel cuts. The compact slide system allows the saw head to slide along fixed rails, eliminating the need for rear clearance. That's a big deal when you are working in tight areas or on a shallow bench. If it's accuracy you're looking for, the adjustable laser never misses its mark. You can easily set it to the left, right, or center of the blade. It's never been easier to get a precise cut the first time. The powerful 15-amp motor cuts through the toughest lumber with ease. These large sliding fences raise to 5 1/8 inches, which means you can finally cut up to 7.5-inch crown molding nested up against the fences. You get a 0 to 57 degree miter angle to the right, and a 0 to 45 degree angle to the left. At the same time, you also get a 0 to 45 degree bevel angle range to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade while leaving the material in place. Positive stops and indications on the miter and bevel scale give you easy to read measurements and quick settings. Carbon brush access allows the user to easily inspect and replace the brushes as needed to greatly prolong tool life. A vertical handle with soft, vibration-reducing elastomer grip adds comfort and control. The included 60-tooth, 12-inch blade produces fine finish cuts. You also get a dust bag, vise assembly, 17mm box wrench, and Hitachi's 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The Hitachi 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw is the perfect tool for making compound miter and bevel cuts with confidence.
Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to crosscut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The Glide Saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the Axial Glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new Glide Saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The Glide Saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The Axial Glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts. And a push-button miter.
This is the Bosch CM10GD dual bevel glide miter saw. This saw combines evolutionary performance with revolutionary design. Remodelers, trim carpenters, and woodworkers will appreciate the unbelievable engineering that went into this space-saving design. This patented axial glide system provides consistent precision over the life of the tool while saving you up to 10 inches of workspace. Notice how there are no rails? With this design, you can push this right up against the wall. The glide action also allows for unmatched smoothness of cut. With 12-inch nominal horizontal capacity, 5-inch vertical capacity, and 6-inch crown capacity against the fence, you get an expanded cutting capacity on this 10-inch saw. Upfront bevel controls mean no more reaching to the back of the tool. Make adjustments quickly and easily. The integrated crown chop lock lets you lock the head in place for maximum chop cutting capacity for upright base molding and nested crown. Easily set up the bevel with the tall 4¼ inch fences for increased crown molding capacity. So this is it. The Bosch CM10GD 10-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. You really have to try this thing to believe how smooth it is. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch miter saws.
Introducing new technology. The Delta Cruiser miter saw is the latest in power tool engineering. Born from military-grade aluminum, they're built with patented technology and easy-to-use features like front bevel and miter for fast adjustments. The unique fence design adjusts easily and gives cruisers the largest crosscut capacity in their class. These saws have the latest technology and the quality users demand. Robotic arms with 12 individual bearings for incredible accuracy and smoothness. The 15-amp industrial motor has a belt drive system for smooth cutting and quick motor braking. dual bevel to 45 degrees left or right, with front-mounted controls and an easy-to-use pin bevel angle selection system. Insist on the newest technology, a Delta Cruiser miter saw. Delta, the measure of precision.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.